Hey, welcome to the Nifty daily view for 11th August 2015. So today we'll only a look at the chart of Nifty daily. So the resistances on the upside are fairly visible, and it was expected that Nifty might head towards 8750 while it crossed the previous, like it negated the head and shoulder pattern when it crossed the 8560 mark. So but it didn't happen, and it took resistance right at the uh, blue falling trend line. So this has acted to be a strong resistance, and we saw a late sell-off of 100 points after 2:30 p.m. So the crucial support now is at this is the falling this is the rising channel, rising green rising channel. So this is the green rising channel of Nifty, and these are two parallel lines. So the first immediate support should be at 8380 to 8400, and those people who are still thinking that it can turn out to be a head and shoulder pattern, yes, it can. The only confirmation would be that let us suppose this is the head. So this is the head, this is the shoulder, and this is another shoulder. So it ideally it is negated right now because the previous shoulder has been crossed. It should have been smaller than the left shoulder, but still the structure itself is not negated. So if we still consider it as a head and shoulder pattern, then one thing you have to keep in mind, that the days it has taken to hit this new high of 8621 very short, in extreme short term. So from here we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 days it has taken to from a neckline. This is the neckline of head and shoulder pattern, you can say. So let's change the color to red. So this is the neckline. So if this is a legitimate head and shoulder pattern, then it has to break this neckline, the previous low of 8321, in less than 9 sessions. That means the faster retracement of the previous upward leg, which is this leg from 8321 to 86, I think 21 8321 to 8. So this 300 point move should be retraced in less than 9 sessions. That means like Nifty should break by next week, or by Friday next week, this 8320 mark. So then the head and shoulder pattern will be confirmed, and the target for that would be very simple, that it should be around if that turns out to be true, it is again back to 8000. So it is very clear. First, the immediate support is at 8380 8400. If the Nifty sustains below this 8550 mark, the first target is 8380 to 8400. Next, if it breaks the 200-day exponential moving average as well as the neckline of the head and shoulder, then the target is at 8000. So I'll write it down the points. So the conclusion is pretty simple, and the OI data is also suggesting the same. So I'll mention the OI data afterwards. So conclusion is first that if Nifty sustains below 8550, then the immediate target on the downside should be at 8380 to 8400, and if it breaks 200 DMA at 8280 as well as the neckline at 8320 in less than 9 sessions. Then the head and shoulder pattern will be confirmed and the index is likely to head towards 8000. So this is the conclusion right now just by looking at the technicals. One more thing I wanted to share that so what on the upside, this we are talking on the downside, so what on the upside? On the upside, this today's high is very crucial, as you know that we fell almost 100 points in just matter of 15-30 minutes. So today's high is very crucial, and if this high is crossed, so what can you expect? The next target would be the higher end of the rising channel, which is 8750 to 8880. So there you can expect one more 150 points. But the true leadership is not coming. We were expecting that CNX IT should rise from here, but the rise of the CNX IT is very slow. So that means the leader is not here. Reliance has given up. We have already had our stop loss hit today. So Reliance has given up, and so there is no sectoral leadership. Bank Nifty is not too keen. Today is, I think, SBI result. So that could be like this could reverse if SBI results are good. So basically, if we can watch out for SBI, that's why we have not shorted the Nifty and instead gone for the puts, because that can be acted as a hedge toward against our long positions. So if 8550 and SBI results are bad, which could be very crucial for the PSU bank index, then you might see Nifty heading towards 8380, and if this 83 neckline is broken in next 9 sessions, then the target is 8000. That seems to be currently the pattern that has been forming. On the OI front also it is similar, pretty similar. Like if you see 8200 is pretty strong, 60 lakh shares, and 8300 is also 42 to 45 lakh shares, which can be also considered as strong. So this will remain as a strong support. That's why I'm saying that it should be broken with force. If it has come, if the bears want it to come till 8000. The next on the upside, see 8700 and 1800 has two strong resistances, which is the rising trendline resistance. So we are stuck in a range, and it is very difficult to trade in a range for F&O traders and system traders. But B group stocks are doing their own thing. They are making new highs. So maybe we can shift some of part of your trading to B group stocks. So 8750, 8800 on the upside, and 83 to 8400 on the downside looks like the probable range. Thank you.